Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to place a logo on the photo in Photoshop. First, we go to the file menu, click on the place embedded and place your image. Right click and choose rasterize layer. Select rectangle marquee tool and selection the logo. Go to the edit menu, click on the cut. And go to the filter menu, click on the Vanishing Point. Ctrl V, paste. Normal to multiply, click on the FX icon. Hold Alt key. Now we place a logo on the image. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more videos.